Hello to good friends and adherents of the channel. If you want to help your brain health, adding pomegranate juice to your diet is one of the best and easiest things to do. Pomegranate juice contains very high amounts of antioxidants. It can be said that the antioxidants in pomegranate juice are almost 3 times more than green tea. Antioxidants prevent free radicals from damaging brain cells. They can also protect your heart. Interestingly, the brain depends on the cardiovascular system for normal functioning. So that a healthy heart is associated with good memory. There have been many studies on the effects of pomegranate juice on the brain. The use of pomegranate juice during pregnancy acts as a protector for the fetal brain. In fact, it provides enough oxygen to the fetal brain. Abundant antioxidants in pomegranate juice improves learning and reduces the risk of Alzheimer. This drink can lower blood pressure, and this way it improves the memory of the elderly people. Pomegranate juice contains special polyphenols called tannic acid and L-arginines, the most specific polyphenols that can cross the brain barrier. They have the power to protect against radiation and to counteract harmful radicals. Most scientists believe that Alzheimer is due to the accumulation of platelets in a brain called beta amyloid. We all have this protein in our brain, the beta amyloid, which floats around the brain. But when the amount of it in our brain increases, it accumulates and forms platelets that damage our brain cells. Dr. Richard Hartman, a professor of psychology at Loma Linda University, believes that aging, genetics, poor diet, and lack of exercise can accelerate the process of brain damage. Dr. Richard conducted a study on Alzheimer's prone mice. The mice were fed pomegranate juice for 6 months. And the results of this experiment, the learning and memory of these mice increased uncontrollably, and their plaques also decreased by 50%. Dr. Hartman prescribed pomegranate extract to people who had heart surgery 1 week before surgery and 6 weeks after heart surgery to expand his human studies. People who have heart surgery and some have heart problems will later experience severe terrible memory. But pomegranate extract caused these people not only did not lose their memory, but their memory also became excellent. In this experience, those who had not used pomegranate juice suffered from severe memory loss. Dr. Hartman believes that there is evidence that pomegranate juice can even stimulate the growth of new neurons in the brain. The doctor indicates that pomegranate juice cannot be a cure for Alzheimer's or lost memory, but can be as part of a healthy lifestyle used to protect your brain. The special polyphenolins in pomegranate juice protect not only the brain but also our whole body from damage. So, one of the easiest ways to prevent Alzheimer is to drink some pomegranate juice a day. Now that we have discussed the power and effects of pomegranate juice on the brain, it is not bad to mention other benefits of it very briefly. Number 1. It aids to digest the food. Pomegranate juice reduces inflammation of the intestines and improves digestion. This drink can be useful for patients with Crohn's disease, ulcerative colitis, and other intestine diseases. Whereas there is still controversy among researchers about whether pomegranate juice improves or worsens diarrhea, most of the doctors advise patients to refrain from consuming pomegranate juice until the symptoms of diarrhea improve. Number 2. It is a powerful anti-inflammatory. Because this drink is rich in antioxidants, it acts as an anti-inflammatory throughout the body and prevents damage to cells. Number 3. Reduce the symptoms of arthritis. A substance called flavonol in pomegranate juice can stop the inflammation that leads to osteoarthritis and cartilage damage. Recently, researchers have studied about the positive effects of pomegranate juice on osteoporosis, rheumatoid arthritis, and arthritis, and they believe that pomegranate juice is also useful for these problems. Number 4. Protects the cardiovascular system. Pomegranate juice is one of the healthiest drinks for the heart. Pomegranate juice facilitates blood flow and prevents hardening of the arteries. It also slows the formation of plaque and cholesterol deposition in the arteries. It should be noted that pomegranate juice can interfere with blood pressure medications and lipid-lowering drugs called statins. If you are taking these medications, consult your doctor before you start taking pomegranate juice. Number 5. lowering blood pressure and antiviral properties. Drinking a cup of pomegranate juice daily can help lower systolic blood pressure. Vitamin C and vitamin E are considered to increase immune system. These vitamins also have antiviral properties, which fortunately pomegranate juice is rich in these two vitamins. Laboratory studies have proven that pomegranate has antibacterial and antiviral properties. We mean pomegranate juice in its natural form, not factory products to which sugar has been added. Vitamin K, steel, and potassium are other good sources of vitamins found in a fresh form of this drink. This drink significantly reduces the microbes in the mouth, which are generally responsible for tooth decay and staphylococcus infections. The antimicrobial properties of pomegranate juice prevents the transmission of HIV or AIDS. Among all fruits, pomegranate has the greatest potential to prevent the transmission of HIV. Number 6. Boost fertility. Pomegranate is rich in antioxidants, and because of this, it can eliminate oxidative stress. Studies have shown that oxidative stress reduces sperm function in men and reduces fertility in women. This drink will also increase testosterone level in men. Number 7. Increase athletic strength. Pomegranate juice can help reduce damage and increase healing power. In addition, it reduces oxidative damage caused by exercise. Therefore, it can greatly improve a person's athletic performance. Number 8. Lower the blood sugar of diabetics. Pomegranate has long been used as a traditional medicine for diabetes in the Middle East and India. However, the details of effects of pomegranate on diabetes are not yet well known. But as it clears, pomegranate juice reduces the body's resistance to insulin. Number 9. Reduce the risk of cancer. This drink prevents the growth and development of cancer and other dangerous diseases by eliminating free radicals. The large amounts of antioxidants in this juice will stimulate white blood cells to neutralize toxins in the body. Thus, the immune system is boosted. Daily consumption of a glass of pomegranate juice can reduce the growth of cancer cells in prostate cancer. In addition, pomegranate juice inhibits aromatase, an enzyme that converts androgens to estrogen. Estrogen is a hormone that plays an important role in the development of breast cancer. Besides, pomegranate juice has other benefits for the body, including elimination of anemia due to high iron, cartilage regeneration, increased appetite, frequent stopping of urine, reducing body temperature, treatment of typhoid, treatment of kidney stones, anti-aging, and amazing effects on the skin. Due to the presence of panasic acid, a type of omega-3 fatty acid found in pomegranate, it improves skin texture and a strong hydration and prevents hair loss. People with the flu, cough, or people with a phlegmatic temperament should not use this drink because this drink lowers blood pressure. It should not be used at the same time as antihypertensive drugs, which can lead to a dangerous situation of hypotension. Pomegranate juice can also interact with cholesterol-lowering drugs, antidepressants, ACE drugs, and painkillers, so these people should be careful. Thanks for your company. Please help us with your precious comments and suggestions. We wish you days and nights full of health and happiness.